Welcome to program number 2 in the lubrication series. In this program, you're going to learn about safety and the handling of lubricants. We begin with personal protection. Although oils and greases are not considered to be dangerous products, they do sometimes affect a person's skin, giving rise to a condition called dermatitis. The direct handling of grease or oil is commonly seen and is in fact a health risk. It is strongly advised that a barrier cream be well rubbed into the hands whenever there is a chance that you will be working with oil, grease or other products such as solvents and fuel. A good barrier cream will provide protection to your hands if they should come into contact with lubricants and industrial grime. When the job is done, a good cleaning using a non-solvent hand cleaner will leave your hands clean and your skin healthy. Do not use solvents such as petrol, paraffin or paint thinners for cleaning your skin. Apart from being flammable, solvents will cause damage to your skin. After the break, we shall discuss handling procedures.